Okay, everyone. Ready for a takeoff? What's all yeah?
And don't we get excited about it? Everyone is aboard. Oh, crazy. You doing? Okay.
Someone did eat at the sun. Alright, everyone. Who's the bestest? Him?
Yes, the fun one. Who is the one?
It's Teenager. You mean G minor playing?
Alright, I'm sorry.
Goodbye, idiot. Goodbye, Fortune. What? Do you mean all of this? Oh, yeah. Nobody likes you about it, I guess. What? Rex! Are you okay, Mommy? Yep, I would be recycled.
What a crash! Aren't we?
Time for elimination. Oh, I have some yummy food here. Yay! I can't wait. You'll vote another people who voted.
Everything is possible. Damn it, will you please shut your mouth?
Oh, DMA is eliminated. It is. Shall we use this teapot and for you, actually? I don't know. But we simpins. Maybe the effects will try it, I guess, for a little bit. We can wait until the scene on the fireworks. Woohoo! We can't wait until we do. So we can do it after this time. I missed the fireworks. That's okay. What did you say? I said it. You said everything. Jones already have a son. Okay, kids. So we're gonna coming on who the car could go, actually. This one doesn't do everything. What? That sucks. Did you just angry him? I didn't mean to. That is wrong, Norma. I hate being the competition a little bit. I'm gonna catch you and eat digital. Are you gonna eat me? Don't leave me. Don't eat me. Stop it. Stop it. No. Ah!